The ability to figure out what the main problem is in any given situation is it's like a superpower. Yeah, it's something that you always want to be doing in your life and in your music. It's like, what is the most important problem that if I solved it would make the most progress, that would make everything else easier, or that would remove other obstacles or barriers? That's the high impact problem, the high leverage problem. That's the thing that you want to be identifying at any given moment. The reason for identifying the number one problem is often we want to be solving that first because it makes a lot of the other problems irrelevant. Because we just listen to a piece of music, or we're in a situation and we have these problems, and we just start doing things without actually thinking through, being more strategic about it and thinking, what would make the most sense in terms of the order in which I do it? Making music, doing anything, in fact, is more often a case of saying, I am not going to do that now. No, I am not going to solve that problem right now, because it's a distraction from the main problem. When is as important as what and how.